Install remote locking. Most modern cars today are equipped with a remote keyless entry feature. With this feature, the car owner can remotely close or open the car door when he is within the radio frequency range of the car's central remote locking system. It is a safety mechanism that is factory installed. Older cars, however, do not have this security feature, although it is still possible to install a remote locking system into an old car. You need to buy the remote keyless locking system kit and have it installed on your car, using the older car's power lock system. The following steps will guide you in how to install a remote locking system. Disconnect the car's battery. Push the driver's seat as far back as possible. Remove the shield that covers the gearbox as well as the shield that covers the ignition switch cable. This will give you more room to work. Basically, the ignition switch cable/harness is under the dashboard and quite difficult to reach, and the wires attached to the harness is quite short, giving you very little access. Check the wiring diagram for your car. It should be included in the car manual. You can also check online for the wiring diagram for your car model. This will help you identify the wires through their colors and how each one connects to the other through the system. Look for the battery wire and attach your multimeter to it. Connect the multimeter to a ground and check the voltage. You should get a 12-volt reading when you turn the ignition. Find the starter wire. It is quite a short one with a solid colored insulation. It can be yellow or another color based on the wiring diagram. If you find it hard to work with its short length, just extend it by soldering a length of wire to it and wrapping it with electrical tape. Attach the ends of the keyless locking unit to the battery and ignition or starter wire. Solder the connection and wrap these with electrical tape. The other ends of the wires from the wireless key system should be connected to the power lock and unlock wires of the car. These may be found to the left of the driver's outside foot, the kick panel that covers the car's other wirings, and in some cars, the fuse box. Open the panel and locate the wires and attach them to the wires from the wireless key system, following the diagram. Wrap the exposed connection with electrical tape just like before. Make sure that the wireless key system unit is well grounded while you are doing this. Attach the ground to a metal surface, either on the kick panel or anywhere where metal is exposed. Use a ring terminal and self-tapping screw on the end of the ground wire. Check the instructions that came with the wireless locking system kit. After you have attached all the wires correctly following the directions given, You have to program the system and check if it will work as expected. Check the programming options and choose the one that will best suit the preferences of the driver or owner of the car. Test the wireless key. You should be seeing some pilot lights blinking or your parking light going on and off. You may also hear a beeping sound since the car door is still open. If everything is working properly, clean up, and ensure that all the wires are properly insulated and push them back and replace the shields. There are different types and models of the keyless locking system available in the market. Do your homework first to find the one that will be easy to install and use. Search online for information and ask questions from dealers and your car mechanic. They will be able to give you tips on choosing the right one.